All right. Hey, Mark, how you doing?
Feeling great. How about you? It's the end of the week. I
Hey, I think
suppose that you are tired.
Hey, hang on one second. Actually, I was good for a second, and now I'm having a hard time hearing you. Let me.
Can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear you now. Yeah, it was on my side, but we're good now.
Thank
How are
you.
you?
I'm feeling great and fine, and it's kinda. I'm looking forward for the weekends to to pray
That's
and
good. Yeah,
spend
yeah,
time for my family.
yeah. Good, good. Yeah, it's Friday, so it's a good feeling. Um, hey, so I've got like I said, Julia, um she's on the other line here. So I'm Ronnie, I'm the owner of the company. And then yep, there's Julia, just popped up. And so yeah, I'm the owner. You kind of know a little bit about us just looking at the listing, but let's just start with just sharing a little bit about who we are and as a company, and then where we're looking to go. So I started the company about 5 years ago. We started as a small company. It was just me and my friend, and we had started just in carpentry and doing things that we know. And over the last several years, we've consistently grown over like I say over the last 3 years, and have now established our company as a general contracting company that self-performs concrete. And so a huge part of our business, I say a huge part, a majority of our business is concrete, and that's really what we're looking for an estimator for. We have access to full-time crews that can do the work. We just need to be able to push a bunch of estimates out. Now, part of this hiring process is finding somebody that can not only do the estimating piece, which hopefully either, whoever we hire either has some experience or can learn very quickly. But the person also has to be able to communicate well with obviously the team that they're working with, any subcontractors, and very, very occasionally maybe a customer, like a contracting customer. Most of our work is in commercial, and so we don't deal a lot with residents like homeowners, but we do deal a lot with other contractors. So as long as, whoever we hire can communicate well, can be accurate with the numbers, detail oriented, on time, which Mark, I appreciate you being the first one on the call. That says a lot. If you can achieve all of those things, then that's the type of person we're looking for, because ultimately we're at a good level. Like I said, we've grown over the years, but we're wanting to reach the next level. And that just means we have to win more work, which means we have to do more estimating. So that's really where we're at as a company. Any questions on that?
Yeah. Where is the company located? Kansas.
So the company is out of so the city is Kansas City. It's kind of confusing. It's Kansas City, but the city itself is in the state of Missouri. So
Mm,
we're in Kansas City, Missouri, right next to the state of Kansas.
yep. And so you are also soliciting bids at sam.gov, right?
I'm sorry?
You are also soliciting bids at sam.gov.
Yes, or Sam. Yeah, yeah, that's right. You did some research, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's great.
Actually, it's just on your signature. I just found out that you're also doing sam.gov and
I got
soliciting
you.
bids at sam.gov. So probably I'll get a hang of those because there are also requirements from them that which you are going to submit
Yes.
also.
Yep, yep, you got it. Yeah, so there are some government webs or government projects that we try to do. We can't do, just for our company, we try not to do something that's like way too big for us. Like we're not building skyscrapers. We're not building anything super crazy, but we do want to stay registered with the government so that when a project our size does come up, we can bid it.
Mm.
So
I
that's why we're
see.
registered with sam.gov. All right. So are if there's no other questions, you got anything else, or should we
Yeah, you can
get into
go.
some questions?
Let's get fired on it.
Okay. All right. Let me look at your uh, portfolio real quick. I should have had it up, but I'm basically gonna share the screen and we're just gonna look at it together. And then if you have any extra input that you want to give, go ahead and do that. So a little bit about you. You are a licensed civil engineer. You're currently licensed, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Expertise in project management, construction estimates, and project implementation. Can you speak a little bit about the project management side and the construction estimate side?
Yeah. Basically, I have to create schedules and coordinate with the subcontractors and liaise with them for the schedules. And also, I have to update the schedules if they are on time or we have to delay. Apart from that, I also have to create a another schedule that is what we called as I forget the term due to nervousness, but it's a fast tracking schedule to meet the deadlines of the project. And for construction
Okay.
estimates, basically I have to create as an estimate for with the plans, and right after that I have to incorporate it with the schedules also and the budgets.
Okay. How do you create it, or how do you create an estimate?
The first thing that I have to do is to look for the bid documents if we have the bid documents. Right after with the bid documents, I would prepare the all the necessary documents attachment, and I would also prepare. I have my own Excel sheets to have to that I would also have to align it on your side so that it would be the incorporating with the company's trademark.
Who created the Excel spreadsheet?
Actually, based on the I can create a spreadsheet and with some of the not visual basic, but programming language.
Did you create the estimate sheet that you're using currently, or did somebody else, did like the company give you a spreadsheet to use?
I do create a spreadsheet.
Oh, you created it. Okay. Okay, got you. So you're familiar and you're proficient with Excel?
Yeah, a little bit of programming side.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, continue. So you would get the documents and then what would you do after that?
After that, I have to look for at the drawing plans. Right after looking for the drawing plans, if there are necessary missing details, I would raise an RFI or request for information. Right after that, if I receive the information from the client, I would continue my estimating. But before receiving the uh, information, the response from them, I would basically do uh, a draft estimates, and I am doing it. My estimates is done by Bluebeam Revo.
Okay, Bluebeam. Got it. Got it. All right. So say all the RFIs are answered, you're in Bluebeam, you're doing the estimate. What's the next step?
Sorry, sorry about that. Okay, the next step is that I have to call local vendors, and that is near to the project site so that I could get pricing, and then do some markups. That we could earn a profit from that.
Okay. All right, got it. So with what you're doing now, do you do the construction estimating and then the project implementation, or how does that work?
Right now, I do not have the project implementation, but I was once a project engineer in the Philippines. I have done roads and bridges, building constructions, and flood controls.
Okay, got it. So right now, though, just with construction estimating, you
Yeah,
would create the estimate and then hand it to somebody else.
yeah, and then do some. If you would allow me to do the project management, that's not a problem. Assistant.
Okay.
project management.
Mhm,
Because
yeah,
I'm on
sure,
virtual.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, because you're virtual. That makes sense. Yeah. All right. So you can create drawings both in 3D and 2D. So what system do you use to create drawings?
I create drawings in AutoCAD and sometimes in Revit.
Okay, got you. And it would produce something like this.
Yeah,
Okay. Is this one you produced or did you find this?
that's my own draft.
Oh, you did. Okay, so you created the site plan
Hmm.
where it is on the map. Okay. And then some elevations. Okay, got you. And you still have access to Bluebeam and Revit?
Yeah, actually, what the good thing about here in the Philippines is that we do have the cracked versions that we usually have, so we do not pay for it. Sorry about that.
Oh,
It's kind of
nice.
different on your
Nice.
side because you're paying for the subscriptions of it. But in the Philippines,
Yeah.
we do have a cracked version which we do not. It's a little bit of pirate version. I mean,
Oh, got you. But it still works.
yeah, it's
Works all
still
the same? Okay. Okay.
yeah,
All right. All right. So 2017 to 2019 was with this company where you were a project engineer that you'd mentioned, as you'd mentioned, and again with Field Builders Incorporated. So that's 5 years. Virtual estimator for Visionary Enterprise for 4 years, and then so most of this is in estimating
yeah. That's
from
right.
19 to 23, and then for the last couple of years, you've what's the CAFM?
Um, computer aided facility management or computer
Mm,
aided facility manager. That is a how can I? It's more of updating the program using no, it's the project schedule by a certain program.
okay,
Have
got
you
you.
have
That's
you
what.
heard Primavera P6?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, so Primavera P6 Unifier and other softwares that are used. This one is on site in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, in Saudi Arabia. Wow. Okay, got you. And so you're helping with that. All right. So all of your experience really comes from this right here when it comes to virtual estimating. Now, the software, the Excel spreadsheet that you use now, was that used in these 4 years that you worked for these companies?
Actually, not because they do have different Excel sheets that they are using. For example, Visionary Enterprises is using BuildZack. It's more of a web tool like
Hmm.
Procore and Simpro. If you heard Procore,
Yeah.
it's like that.
Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Got you. Same with the others. Did they have some kind of software system that you would plug into?
Yeah, they have.
Got you. Okay, but you would feel, do you feel comfortable using, I guess I'm curious what the Excel spreadsheet looks like and what kind of takeoffs you're doing with it. Is it for for home builds? Is it for building only a specific trade, or what do you use it for?
GC.
Okay, general contracts, so everything.
Mhm.
Okay, got it. All right, good to know. Same kind of thing here, but this is something, is this different?
Yeah,
Oh, part-time.
part-time.
I see. Oh, I see, I see. Got it. So estimator. This makes me wonder, are you looking for part-time work or full-time work?
If you could give me a full-time work, no problem. If you could give me a part-time work, still no problem. It's still acceptable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right, good to know. Okay, let's take a look here and see what this kind of looks like. So this looks like Excel or
Mhm.
Google Sheets or whatever you use. And this is like a summary.
Yeah.
Roofing, framing, maybe insulation,
That's in the roof. It's the same.
vapor control.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, this is all a roof.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. And this is what the customer would see.
Mm.
Got it. Okay. Do you do this?
Yeah. That's
Measuring and things?
yeah. This is done in Plan Swift.
This here? Yeah.
Yeah. That side is done on Plan Swift.
Okay. Gotcha. Oh, this was running. Okay. So this is you manipulating. What's the website?
It's drone deploy.
Hmm. Okay. Interesting. So you're going between all these different things to come up with the estimate. Okay.
Mhm.
Gross. Okay, got it. Wow, this is really elaborate. You got videos? All right. Well, I'll have to go through and look at the rest of these videos. Landscape estimating in Saudi Arabia. Wow. Wow. Okay. So you've clearly done it. And you've clearly
That's
done
my
some estimating.
reaction to when I viewed his portfolio. Like,
Yeah. Yeah,
so
you've
great.
got a lot to
With the
show off here.
tracking.
Ah, here we go. Yeah. The schedule, the Gantt calendar. And wow, quite a bit. So these estimates that you're doing, are they I said you'd mentioned Saudi Arabia a bunch and you've worked in the Philippines. Have you done estimating for US companies before?
Yeah. I have been for an estimator a year ago in the U.S. companies.
Mm,
One is a GC in New York. One is a GC also in Florida. And yeah, those are the two. And a
okay. Yeah.
uh, traffic control company in California.
Oh, okay. Traffic control, huh? Okay, got it. Cool. Yeah, I may go back and look and see what you're doing with that. All right, voice recording. No, all that's good. All right. Cool. Well, let me stop sharing here, and then we're going to get into some questions now. I have a screen up high, so whenever I'm looking up, don't think I'm just ignoring you or rolling my eyes.
No
I'm just
worries.
looking at the sheet that's going to keep me on track.
Actually, my
So,
camera is built-in camera is also at the bottom, so I'm saying I have to
so
sit
you're
down
doing the
and
same thing.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
You guys are
Okay. All
doing
right.
the same thing.
Yeah, we should be good then. All right. So I'm looking, Mark. Let me see here.